What is up, everyone? It is Jordan. I just wanted to show you guys a quick video on how I'm going to be making some stickers for Big Frank's Designs using my little Cricut Joy here. The Cricut Joy is a little bit limited on its print and then cut capabilities, but there's a couple ways to do it, and one of them is this way here. So basically you create a 4x6 border image and you kind of print that onto the Cricut mat here using the marker. And then once you have a grid on your sheet, then you can print out, once you have a grid on your mat here, then you can print out 4x6 sheets of stickers and the Cricut and place it exactly in the grid, and the Cricut will know where to cut is the idea. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Okay, so I'm in here in the Cricut Design app. First thing I'm going to do is make sure I'm set to Cricut Joy. Then I'm going to upload that 4x6 border image that I just discussed. Once I have it here on the canvas, I'm going to resize it to exactly 4x6. And then from there, I want to go over here to the left and make sure we're set to pen. I'm going to hit make it on the mat, literally, and continue. And we are now connected. I just have it set to paper. Okay, so I got the pen and the mat loaded. I'm ready to hit go over here. Okay, now I'm getting ready to print my sticker sheets. I just have 2 of the 4x6s on one regular size sheet of sticker paper. So let's go ahead and hit print. Alright, so I have my sheets cut out and ready to lay on my mat here. And we'll head back into the design app, and now I'm going to upload the image file that I created that has the stickers inside the 4x6 border. As you can see, I have the transparent background so that it knows where to cut. And then this is what I was talking about earlier. You have to select just the cut option. Cricut Joy doesn't know technically how to do print and cut. That's why we're doing this whole process. So once it's on the canvas, don't forget to resize and hit make it. Again on the mat. And then here I've tried several different ones, and the one that I had the most success with is this sticker cardstock. So I usually just select this. Go over here. And let's see what happens. Alright guys, so there you have it. Those are the stickers that I was able to make. I think I'm going to be able to get even better at it, and I want to get a little bit more quality of paper, but in the meantime, while I'm working on that, go ahead and check out the link tree. I'll put it in the description. It has my Amazon merch site, which has some of my designs that you see in these stickers. But thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Peace out. I think right about there. Looks good.